Let's explore how to promote a product across multiple environments with Codefresh. With Codefresh, you can easily promote a product from one environment to another by simply dragging and dropping it in the environment's dashboard or selecting the Promote option from the Product Actions menu. But what if your workflow is more complex, like promoting from dev to staging and then to US East and US West in parallel? That's where promotion flows come in. Let's start by clicking into our demo product. From here, we'll navigate to the Settings tab. On the left-hand side, you'll find the Promotion Flows menu. Let's check it out. Here, we can associate this product with a specific promotion flow. Promotion flows are custom Kubernetes resources that let you define detailed promotion processes. Let's add a promotion flow to our demo product. From the list, we'll select the full promotion flow. Next, we'll configure the trigger conditions. For this example, let's use a commit message. We'll set the trigger condition to any commit message containing the word promotion by adding an asterisk before and after it. These changes are stored in the product CRD. Let's commit them and review what's been added. As you can see, the promotion flows section has been updated in the product configuration. Let's finalize the commit. Now, let's take a closer look at what the full promotion flow actually does. To do this, we'll navigate to the Promotion Flows page, which is accessible to Codefresh account admins. Click the Settings icon, then select Promotion Flows from the menu. Here, you'll see a list of all promotion flows stored in the platform. Let's dive into the full promotion flow. The flow includes 3 environments: Dev, QA, and Production. Each box represents an environment, and you can configure the promotion action for each step. For example, you can choose an automatic commit or require a manual approval through a pull request. Now, let's create a new promotion flow from scratch. We'll start by selecting the trigger environment, the environment where a commit in the application will trigger the flow. Next, we'll add a promotion step to move changes to the QA environment after dev. From there, we'll configure promotions to US East and US West in parallel. Finally, we'll define a step to promote to the production environment, but only after updates to both US East and US West are complete. By default, promoting to non-production environments uses an automatic commit, while production promotions require a pull request. Of course, you can easily adjust these actions as needed. Everything defined in this flow is translated into simple YAML, which you can view directly. The YAML is easy to understand and allows for additional customization if required. Before promoting to the production environment, let's configure some tests. Each step or environment in the promotion flow can include pre-action and post-action workflows. These are Argo workflows that execute before or after the promotion action, whether it's a commit or a pull request. From here, I can select an existing workflow from the list or create a new one. Once we're happy with the configuration, let's save the promotion flow. The flow is stored in the account's shared configuration repository, just like the product CRD. It may take a few seconds for the promotion flow to appear as it's committed to Git and synchronized with the cluster. Once it's ready, let's trigger it. To trigger the promotion flow, click the Trigger button and select the product you want to promote. This method is mainly for testing. In normal use, the flow would be triggered automatically when the trigger environment is updated with the commit message we defined earlier. Now, let's take a look at the release that was created. As you can see, the release follows the promotion flow we defined, promoting changes across all specified environments. Thank you for watching.